In the exhilarating world of FPV drone racing, speed, agility, and adrenaline collide to create an electrifying experience. But amid the excitement, safety remains paramount. As pilots push the limits of technology and skill, they also understand the importance of proper safety gear. Today, we delve into the essential equipment every FPV drone racer needs to ensure a secure and thrilling experience. First and foremost, the helmet. Much like in traditional motorsports, a sturdy helmet is a must-have for FPV drone racing. It protects the pilot's head from potential collisions and crashes, safeguarding against injury. Next up, goggles. FPV goggles provide pilots with a first-person view, immersing them in the action, as if they were sitting in the cockpit of their drone. These goggles offer real-time video transmission, allowing pilots to navigate through the course with precision. Gloves may seem like a small detail, but they play a crucial role in maintaining control. With a comfortable and grippy pair of gloves, pilots can ensure a secure hold on their controller, even during intense maneuvers. Last but not least, regular maintenance of the drone itself is essential for safety. Pilots should routinely inspect their equipment, ensuring that all components are in working order, and that there are no loose connections or damaged parts that could compromise flight. In the fast-paced world of FPV drone racing, safety gear is not just a precaution, it's a necessity. By equipping themselves with helmets, goggles, gloves, and maintaining their drones, pilots can enjoy the thrill of the sport while prioritizing their well-being. So, gear up, fly safe, and let the adrenaline soar.